Hello students, today we are going to see about example 6 in chapter 3. So the question is, in the figure 3.25, that is the parallelogram help is given and they have given that the lengths are in centimeters. So they have mentioned that OE is 4 and 4 is nothing but the unit which is nothing but in centimeter. Given OE is equal to 4 and HL is 5 more than PE. This value, that is this HL is 5 more than PE. So these are all the hints given and we need to find what is OH. Okay. And we know that the three main properties of parallelogram, what are the properties? Opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal and adjacent angles are supplementary, right? So apart from this, we have one more property of the parallelogram, that we have the diagonals bisect one another. Okay, the diagonals bisect one another. So what is the meaning? What are all the diagonals here? Here PE is one diagonal and HL is another diagonal. These diagonals bisect one another. So what do you mean by that? Here each diagonal will cut another diagonal such that it will form equal parts. That is, whenever we take a PE, which is nothing but the diagonal, this diagonal will cut the another diagonal, that is nothing but HL, such that it will form two equal parts. Okay, so when this is the intersecting point, right, this PE is dividing HL such that OH and OL are equal in length. Similarly, OP and OE are equal in length. Okay, so like that these two diagonals will bisect each other. Okay, so this is the another property of the parallelogram. Okay, so with this knowledge we can say that already they have given OE is equal to 4. So they have given already OE is equal to 4, which is measured in centimeter. So since HL is cutting the PE, right, such that it divides this diagonal into equal parts, definitely OP is also 4 centimeter. Okay, so this length will be equal to this length. Similarly, this length will be equal to this length, that is OH equal to OL. Okay, so we can say that this value is also, that is OL is equal to OH. Okay, both are same. Okay, but we need to find out what is OL, what is OH. Okay, for that what they have given, HL is 5 more than PE. Okay, so they have given that this HL, right, is 5 more than PE. So we have to add 5 with PE. Okay, so 5 plus PE is nothing but HL from the hint given in the question. So 5 plus what is PE? PE is nothing but OP plus OE, correct? So this is the whole length. So PE is nothing but OP plus OE. So PE is OP plus OE. What is OP? OP is 4. OE is 4, which is nothing but 8 centimeter. So I can use 8 here. Okay, so 5 plus 8 is 13 centimeter. So HL value is 13 centimeter. Okay, so using this I can find out what is OH, what is OL. Since HL is 13, this is the whole value, right? So this PE is dividing HL into two equal parts. So definitely I can find out OH or OL. It is nothing but HL by 2, because it is dividing that value by 2 into two equal parts. So which is nothing but 13 by 2. So divide 13 by 2. 6 2s are 12. So balance is 1. Okay. Then 0 here. 5 2s are 10. Right. So which is nothing but 6.5 centimeter. Okay. So OH which is also equal to OL which is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.